Hi, good evening everyone. Tapis Dey, myself Arnab Dey. Uh, First and foremost, I can say with having SIP backers, I think Arnab ke beach, I mean the sense of accountability, the responsibility, वो चीज़ मैंने span of 3.5 years मैंने देखा है उनके ऊपर क्या है. In fact, frankly speaking, I accept the fact that आप लोग जैसे पहले बोलते थे डिक्टेशन लो, उनको प्रैक्टिस कराओ घर पे. एक साल तक मैंने सिंसियरली करा. उसके बाद शायद मैं भूल ही गया कि वो क्या होता है. इनफैक्ट he did all his own, and all credit to whatever number he has got. Credit to Sunita ma'am, Shraddha ma'am,
Yes.
you, and of course goes to him also. The only concern I have is like always, in fact, holding this paper also, I can see थोड़ा बहुत focus उसका कहीं ना कहीं जाता है. It's not only in SIP but also in his school also. So अगर वो कर ले तो फिर इंशाल्लाह सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा होगा.
I know. But
So
then
thanks
they-
Ethan ma'am.
I know they are kids only ना.
Absolutely.
थोड़ा बहुत
बिल्कुल. But I'm very
mistakes and error.
happy. I'm very happy with whatever he has done and
No.
whatever he is achieving.
Congratulations.
May God bless him and God bless to all the students.
Yes, no, it's a big achievement that you all have completed all the levels. To top it, it's like it's the parents. It's
Parents
the belief of the
persistence.
parents and the persistence. Like every time, every week you are here. You not believe today being such a rainy day.
Yeah.
Since morning 8:15 I've been getting calls like ma'am, can we have our classes online? But then you'll not believe, morning 9 a.m. batch we had only 3 absentees. 11:30 batch we had only 3 absentees. 3 o'clock batch we had only 2 absentees. So it's like it's the parents. It's the parents.
Credit goes to students also.
Yes.
I mean, it's a amalgamation of both. It cannot be एक हाथ से ताली नहीं बजेगी.
But it's the parents who push them. And congratulations to all the parents. ये आप लोग अभी नहीं समझोगे. बच्चा पार्टी जो है ना ये अभी नहीं समझेगा. बहुत थोड़े और साल थोड़े और बड़े हो जाओगे तो फिर समझ में आएगा कि thank God I did the abacus course, right? So Arnab, all the very best to you. And would you want to say something?
Yes, well, thanks to my father for his contributions and thanks SIP for giving me a better shape than before.
What you were earlier.
Yes.
Okay. Still that shy Arnab.
Is there?
Congratulations and stay in touch. Okay.
Awesome.